Live from ABC7, this is Eyewitness News.
It is being called a major step toward holding drug makers responsible for the opioid addiction crisis. OxyContin maker Purdue Pharma is pleading guilty to federal criminal charges. Welcome back. I'm Giovanna Lara in for Michelle Tuzzi.
I'm Mark Brown. We are live right now on ABC7, ABC7.com, and streaming on the ABC7 Los Angeles app and Hulu Live. The guilty pleas are part of a settlement of more than $8 billion.
But there are questions about whether the deal will hold the company's executives and owners accountable. Eyewitness News reporter Rob Hayes has the story.
America's opioid crisis has been called a national tragedy, claiming more than 400,000 lives over 20 years and leading to countless drug addictions. Today, the U.S. Justice Department announcing what will essentially be a death blow to Purdue Pharma, a company accused of fueling the opioid problem.
$3.544 billion criminal fine, $2.8 billion in damages, and a $2 billion criminal forfeiture amount.
That's a more than $8 billion financial hit to Purdue, which for years had paid doctors to prescribe its powerful painkiller OxyContin and other opioids, knowing they could seed addictions in the people who used them. Purdue now fated to be shut down.
The agreed resolution, if approved by the court, will require that the company be dissolved and no longer exist.
The opioid crisis has been a slow-moving, mass casualty public health disaster.
Harry Nelson is a healthcare attorney and the author of The United States of Opioids, a searing look at how those drugs destroyed so many lives across the country. Today's settlement does separately hit the Sackler family, which controls the company. They'll have to pay nearly $250 million to resolve civil claims. But Nelson points out the deal fails to hold the Sacklers criminally responsible.
There were individuals who drove this crisis and turned a blind eye to the misery and death that they were causing. And I think we still have to reckon with the criminal liability for the family.
The estimated price tag for nationwide addiction treatment, $2 trillion. In Glendale, Rob Hayes, ABC7 Eyewitness News.